Hi friends, this is Mira Craft Leader channel. We are making new type of birthday cards. So let's start. This card is very elegant and easy. So let's see what I can do for making a new type of card and which thing we need in making the birthday card. We need some little hearts to fix on the card. It's a good combination. So let's see what a beautiful card. Hope you like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. This is my own creation. It's a beautiful card. Please watch till end. Thanks for watching.